Tired of complicated payment systems? Let's dive into how to effortlessly receive payments with TapTap. First, you'll need a TapTap account. If you're new, create one by signing up on their website or app, providing the essential details for setup. Once you're set up, ensure your profile is complete and verified. You might need to link a bank account because TapTap won't be of use if you can't receive your funds. This is crucial for your payouts. Now, locate your TapTap profile page and find your unique payment link or QR code. These are your keys to receiving money. Think of them as your digital payment addresses. When a customer wants to pay, they can scan your QR code or use your payment link for ease of use. Customize this option. Add a description, price, etc. to the payment request. Money will be instantly sent your way. Check your TapTap balance within the app to see your new funds. Most importantly, verify the amount before authorizing. Next, explore withdrawal methods. Go to your wallet and choose your preferred method. Linked bank account and follow the instructions. You may also consider how your country processes payments. This means you could use different platforms such as Cash App or other payment gateways. Ensure your details are correct before withdrawing to avoid complications. Receiving money is easy with TapTap.